The Empire Service train from New York City to Niagara Falls is one of the most scenic and comfortable rail journeys in the state of New York. The train departs from Penn Station in Manhattan and travels all the way to Niagara Falls Station, covering about 307 miles, which are roughly 493 kilometers. The total distance time is usually around 9 hours, depending on weather and schedule conditions. It's a smooth and relaxing way to experience the changing landscapes of New York, from the busy urban skyline of Manhattan to a peaceful countryside and river valleys upstate. There are usually 3 trains running daily in each direction, giving passengers several options to choose from. The route is direct, so you do not need to make any train changes or switch to buses along the way. The service is designed for convenience and comfort, especially for travelers who prefer a calm and scenic alternative to driving or flying. Ticket prices depend on how early you book and the class of service you choose. A one-way coach fare usually starts at around $64 and prices can increase during peak travel periods or if you buy close to the departure date. The train features spacious seats, air conditioning, restrooms, and a cafe car that serves snacks and drinks. If you want more comfort, you can upgrade to business class, which provides extra legroom and quieter sitting areas. The journey itself is filled with beautiful views. After leaving the busy street of New York City, the train follows the Hudson River, offering stunning views of the water and surrounding hills. As the train moves further north, you pass through small towns, farmlands, and scenic countryside. The route continues through New York, gradually entering the western region of the state. By the time you reach Niagara Falls, the scenery becomes lush and green, so you can feel the excitement building as you get closer to one of the most famous natural attractions in the world. The train arrives at Niagara Falls Station, which is just a short distance from the waterfall themselves. From there, you can easily take a local taxi or shuttle to the viewing area or your hotel. If you plan to cross into Canada, it is recommended to arrive at Penn Station at least 20 to 30 minutes before your scheduled departure to find your platform and settle in. Since the trip takes around 9 hours, it's a good idea to bring some light snacks, reading material, or a camera to enjoy the sights. I hope you like this video. For more videos like that, please like, share, and subscribe this channel.